In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect everything to Notion, Workflow Map. Think of this as building a single source of truth where your projects, tasks, and documentation all connect, so you spend less time hunting for context and more time getting work done. We'll start by linking related information directly inside your pages. Whenever you're writing a note, a plan, or a project brief, type the @ symbol and start searching for the page you want to reference, or use double square brackets to do the same. Select the relevant project, task, or document, and Notion will insert a live link right in your text. This is fast, keeps context close to where you're working, and makes navigation effortless. A quick tip here, add a short phrase around the link so future you knows why it's there. For example, see the Q2 roadmap linked inside a project summary is far clearer than a bare link. If you rename a linked page later, the link updates automatically, so you don't have to worry about broken references. Next, let's connect whole databases so your key records talk to each other. The relation property is what makes a workflow map truly powerful. Open one of your databases like projects and add a new property. Choose relation, then select the database you want to connect, such as tasks. This creates a field in projects that lets you pick one or more tasks that belong to a project. Open a project entry, click in the new relation field, and search for the task that should be linked. When you connect them, Notion also shows that relationship on the task side, so you can see which project a task belongs to without duplicating information. This same approach works for meeting notes, briefs, or any other database you use. Connect notes to projects with a relation, and suddenly every meeting note can point to the relevant project. From any project, you'll be able to jump to its tasks and supporting documents. And from any task or note, you can jump back to its parent project. To keep things clear, give your relation properties descriptive names like related tasks or related projects so they stay readable in views and on mobile. With links in your writing and relations between databases, Notion becomes your workflow map. Open any project and you'll see tasks, notes, and linked pages all in one place. Open any task and you'll know exactly where it fits. That's the heart of a single source of truth. Fewer silos, faster decisions, and a workspace that scales with you.